Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're having trouble playing videos on your iPhone, don't worry. Today I'll walk you through some quick and easy steps to get your videos playing smoothly again. Let's dive in. A simple restart can often resolve many issues. Press and hold the power button until you see the slider to power off. Slide to turn off your iPhone, then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Ensure your iPhone is running on the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings, then General, and select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. If your video is from an app like YouTube or Netflix, clearing the app's cache can help. Go to Settings, find the app in question, and look for options to clear cache or reset the app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, especially if you are trying to stream videos online. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Ensure the format on the video player aligns with the videos you want to play. It might really be the format that the phone doesn't support. You can always download another video player that supports the format. If you are still having troubles with videos in a specific app, try deleting and restoring the app. Press and hold the app icon, tap delete app, and then reinstall it from the App Store. Resetting network setting can help if the issue is related to your internet connection. If none of these steps work, there might be a deeper issue. Visit an Apple store or contact Apple support for further assistance. And that's it guys. By following these steps, you should be able to get your videos playing again on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.